till the sucking sun lifts the dew and the river's breeze push up the mists. Then, and only after a chorus of crows and gulls have skittled the nightly silence aside, out rings the old town clock. Bong, 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 7 times in a quarter, till curtains part in windows like the Red Sea, and eyes that look up struck as at the crack of Moses' staff upon the steps of Front Street. Under the town clock, as her 7th echo settles like silk into a breeze-stirred pile, grey wigs and dark robes fall on heads and shoulders, the ghosts of clerks and magistrates, and the spirits of 50,000 mayors drift in infinite dance amongst the shadows, and down in the bowl, at the foot of 4 to 5 bridges, in the haven of trivial and rest, the old body of Truro incarnate, to rise up again like Lazarus, like spring herself, to be ready, prepared as a scout for everyday business in the everyday way.